Today we'll be showing how to install our adjustable rear upper camber arm kit for a 2010 Honda Civic FA1. The kit includes a pair of rear adjustment arms, and the bushings are pre-installed. 2 pins, a total of 4 spacers and 4 snap rings, brochure, and a sticker. Here's a look at the tools needed to install the kit. We have an impact wrench, a torque wrench, a long extension, external snap ring pliers, a 17mm socket, and a 14mm socket. Now let's get this installed. First, you'll need a 17mm socket to loosen the lug nuts. Lift the vehicle and remove the lug nuts. Now we have the 14mm socket on the impact, and we're removing the upper control arm bolt. You'll need the 14mm socket with the long extension next to remove both inner mounting bolts of the upper control arm. And remove the arm. To prepare the new arm, we'll first need to add a snap ring, and then a spacer. Next, press the pin into the bushing. Then add another spacer. And finally the snap ring, making sure the snap rings are secured. Now we're going to install the fully assembled control arm. First, thread in the 2 inner bolts, and then the outer bolt. Use the 14mm socket on the long extension to secure the 2 inner bolts, but not completely tighten yet. And the 14mm socket again to tighten the outer bolt. And now we have the 14mm socket back on the long extension again, and we'll completely tighten those 2 inner bolts. Next, torque those 2 bolts to 80 Newton meters or 59 foot-pounds. The outer bolt also gets torqued to 80 Newton meters or 59 foot-pounds. Next, lower the vehicle. And the last thing we need to do is reinstall the wheel. Thread on the lug nuts. Tighten them down with the 17mm socket on the impact. And finally, set the torque wrench to 130 Newton meters or 96 foot-pounds.